Hi everyone. Today we'll make some sweet potato chaat, and to make this we will need 3 sweet potatoes here. There is coriander and mint chutney. This is the sweet tamarind chutney, which also you can make at home or you can get in the market as well. This is the juice of about 1 lime, some chaat masala and some rock salt or black salt. This is an air fryer recipe, so it is going to be very healthy, no oil and very quick. I will add the sweet potatoes here. You don't really need any oil in this. What I will do is I will let it fry for 15 minutes at 400 degrees, and then I will shake it and then again fry for another 5 or 6 minutes. So this is our grilled or roasted sweet potato. This was in the air fryer. You can do it in the oven too if you like, and this was done in about 20 minutes. Now I'm going to peel it. Sweet potato is all peeled. It looks like this, and now we will start chopping them into block-sized pieces. Transfer all the sweet potato in a bowl, and now we will add the chutneys. 2 spoons of the mint coriander chutney, the lemon juice, chaat masala about half a teaspoon, some rock salt or regular salt, whatever you like. Again, to taste, so this is about half teaspoon. We'll now mix all of this together. Sweet potato is ready to be eaten. Enjoy this. Super low calorie, and do leave your comments and feedback below. Thank you.